Hey folks, back to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the AirPods Pro that I can't really say it's new because it's not very new, but I found this in my album that I forgot to edit it and put on YouTube, but I had this for a while. And this is the AirPods Pro with the wireless charging case, and this is the back of the box, as you can see. And yeah, they're probably the best wireless headphones now, and they cost $250 when it was released. And let's open the box and talk about it after. Here we have it designed by California, but now you can find it for $200, so it's really cheap now. Much cheaper, not cheap at all. So here we have paperwork. So let's open this paperwork designed by Apple in California. So you have the manuals and all this pairing stuff, and then yeah, we don't need to look at this. And then here we have some more stuff. And now back to the AirPods. So let's take off this. Oh, that's nice. The little line on the bottom, that's a really nice detail. And okay, it's really glossy. The LED's on. I'm having some problem getting this out of the wrapping. Oh, here we have it. So it's really nice and glossy, and it's not scratched up, and I don't think it's gonna stay like this because all my other buds, they all get scratching up in no time. And I don't know why, but I don't like buying cases. And here we have it. That's how you open it, and that looks so nice. So in here you have a little hole. Let's open this. Here we got a cable. Put this on the side. Here we got a cable, lightning to USB-C. So it's really nice. So if you have a MacBook Pro, you can just plug it into your MacBook Pro. That's a really nice thing that they're including this everywhere now. And these ear tips. This is the coolest packaging for ear tips so far. Okay, looks so cool, these ear tips. It looks so much more organized than the Samsung ones. Samsung looks like they don't know how to put things in the box. So here are the different ear tips. And okay, first Apple Buds with ear tips. So now let's put these ear tips on. I probably can put this small one on. And I'm trying to rip this thingy off. I'm having difficulties ripping this thingy off, but I think you just have to use it force and it will just click off. So let me just put it off. So, and there's a H1 chip inside it, inside of each one. And there's also noise cancellation and active sound, whatever it is called. One of it is noise cancellation, takes off sound, and probably the best in-ear noise cancellation headphones. And ambience mode makes the sound outside more extreme with the microphones. And you can also customize it at Apple. I believe it's for free, but what's the point? Because you can get it for much cheaper. And don't forget to please subscribe, share, and bye.